Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise.
Good morning. It's Thanksgiving Day. To start our morning, let's go for a walk. Dali, may papakita muna ako sa inyo. Dali lang. Kasi dito, mayroon, grapefruit ba to? Nakita ko kasi ang laki ng bunga niya. Oh, here. Walang kumukuha. That side, I can see. See, ang laki ng grapefruit niya. So, ayan. This way tayo? This way or kay Warner?
Dito.
Okay, let's go. So, it's Thanksgiving Day, November 27th, 2025. Na-miss ko to ang maglakad in the morning. And ang weather is nice. May araw siya and it's cold. So, nagko-compensate. Yung sikat ng araw, it helps para hindi maramdaman ang lamig. Off ang mga empleyado from work because it's holiday. Most of them are traveling probably to be with their family on Thanksgiving. So walang masyadong sasakyan, walang bus. Ayan, di ba wala kang makikitang nakapilang mga sasakyan at the stoplight. Ramdam ng lamig ah. Anong temperature? 54? Nasa 50s ang temperature ngayon. It's fall season pero maaga nag-start yung lamig. Yeah, it's sunny today. Oh, yun, aeroplano, southwest to. Oh. Nakikita, hindi ko ma-zoom eh. There. Ayan yung freeway. 134. Wala kasing masyadong sasakyan. So, mabibilis ang takbo ng sasakyan. See? Yan ang So, yung usual na route natin when we go for a morning walk dito sa may side ng Whole Foods, going straight. Okay, we're now here. Asa na kami? Alameda. Okay, that's 155. May bus pala. Yeah, dito talaga dumadaan naman. But it's not going to Glendale. That's Burbank Airport, going to Burbank Airport to 155. Ayan, meron siyang Chick-fil-A, Winners, Sell. May commissary dyan, hindi pa tayo nakakapag-coffee. Are they closed? Ah, nakapag-coffee ka na?
Yan.
Ah. Nothing special?
Hindi friendly yung atmosphere. Gusto yung cafe na pag-upo mo, maganda. Ito medyo, kumbaga sa BGC, pag umupo ka sa cafe ito, pang mayaman.
Ganyan ba?
Kung ang mga tao, kala mo siya, uy, naka-Starbucks ako. O kaya kung masyadong very status ang dapat may dala kang dapat may dala kang laptop.
May laptop to stay there for a while.
Slide, kahit wala namang ginagawa, lalaro lang pala ng game. Pa-type. Ang feeling social. Di ba?
Ito yung Burbank Studios.
Oo, yan. At yung iHeartRadio.
Kahagabi parang may event sila dyan sa iHeartRadio. Naka-open, tapos
Paano mo lalaki ka?
yung dumaan yung 549 ng gabi. Yeah, dito dumadaan ng 549 pag uwi. From work kasi I'm taking 549 bus. That's one ride. For about kahapon, traffic 40 minutes.
Lagi siya magputang
45, no. Walang bus today for 549. Yeah, 1.5, almost 2 months now. No, 5.
Fair Oaks.
Ah,
From Fair Oaks, sasakay ko yung
this is the iHeartRadio Theater LA. Diyan yung studio nila. Oh, see the trees, fall season. So, color is yellow. May mga leaves na rin on the ground. So, ano ba ito? Alameda to, no? This street is Alameda. And we're near now to St. Joseph Providence Hospital. Magandang hospital dito sa Burbank. It's 1 block away. Naomi, ayan, may mga, ito building din to ng mga clinics. Ayan, UCLA Health. Ito, WellMed. Ayan na yung St. Joseph Medical Center, Providence. Bye. Oh, yun yung 501 on the other side going to North Hollywood. I thought it's free ride today, but it's not. Only on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, according to Google. They do not extend it on Thanksgiving Day. Isang ride lang kasi kami from here going to Glendale, is Americana. So para may iba yung surroundings. Pwedeng sumakay ng 501 bus. Yan. Providence, St. Joseph Medical Center. Main entrance and visitor parking. It's here, oh. I think close ang Starbucks dito, no?
Oh, yeah.
Kasi it's Thanksgiving. Gagawin nila sa puno, puputulin nila? Oh. That's their entrance there. Ayan, may Facey Medical Group din on the other side and Lakeside Community Healthcare sa Facey. And then there's a Burbank Medical Plaza, Doctors Clinics. Okay, after Providence Hospital, ito, building naman ng Disney, Walt Disney. Dito ang office nila in Burbank. Ayan yung side. Few steps, nandun tayo sa main entrance nila. Ang color ng trees of yellow and green.
Falling leaves.
Falling leaves. Ang ganda ng puno dun sa kabila, oh. Nasa central lang siya. Seven Dwarfs. Yan pa rin ang building. Tingnan niyo yung pinaka-backwards niya. On top of it, yung Mickey Mouse. Ulo ni Mickey Mouse. Walt Disney Company. Yan ang mga falling leaves on the ground.
Autumn leaves.
Yan, to Walt Disney. This is the main gate. Yeah, they're closed. Yan. Then yung main entrance. And here, paano ko ba ipapakita si Seven Dwarfs? Meron kasi dun sa building nila, naka-sculpture si Seven Dwarfs, but I don't know where is the right spot. Mahulog ikaw siya. Hindi pa rin kita eh. I'm not sure if you can see it. I hope so. Ayun sa building na yun, may Seven Dwarfs. Oh, ayun. Let's see, we can focus it. Hindi lahat ng dwarfs makikita. Oh, may ano sila, may Christmas balls on the ground, oh. Wala pa silang Christmas decor. So that's it. Okay, neighborhood starting to decorate their houses. Now, it's not a house. I think it's a school, no? You know,
Nice.
Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving! May ano sila dun sa door. Dun sa next block, it's elementary and high school. Catholic school. St. Finbar. Oh, may ano sila.
May pakain sila.
Yes. Later, kaya nga nag-ask si Father ng donation. Turkey, pumpkin. So, they'll celebrate Thanksgiving.
Dinner.
Oh, pero wala pa. Akala ko merong
Oh, wala. Booth?
booth.
Hindi.
Kaya siguro kinder yan. Nilagyan nila ng gano'n para hindi makita yung loob. Maganda yung ginawa nila.
Ayun.
Yeah, yan ang parking space pag Sunday ng mga tao nagsisimba sa St. Finbar. But this is really a school, St. Finbar, elementary and high school. Okay, we'll cross now. It's not the pedestrian lane, but we already crossed the road. Punta tayo sa church. I think may mass ng Thanksgiving
Alas 9.
Day.
May akaya.
What time is it na ba?
Alas 8.
It's 8. Ito yung St. Finbar where we go to Mass on Sunday. Ayan, may si Mama Mary. Meron siyang statue there. Let's go near. Thank you.
Yan, Sacred Heart.
Sacred Heart of Jesus. Yeah, bago na to kasi the last time Ayan. So, bawal na diyang magtirik ng candle. And this is the church, St. Finbar Church. It's closed. Mamaya pa siya mag-open.
Kasi sa harap.
May 8 a.m. pala ang ang mass schedule. I wanna go to mass pa naman sa on my birthday. So weekday yon, so 8 a.m. This is the main entrance of the church. Mamaya pa siguro yung mga tao or yung bagong day open because it's Thanksgiving Day. Okay. So that's the St. Finbar School. Late ko na nakuhanan yung pinaka name ng school. Ayan. Ito pa rin ang view ng aming paglalakad. Ganda ng bundok ko, hindi na kami nakapag-hiking. When was the last time na nag-hiking tayo? Years ago? Year ago? Oh, months lang pa. This year ba, nakapag-hiking pa tayo? Kasi it's peaceful here.
Local bar yan.
Ayan, Bruce Brothers. Local bar.
Nag-iba ng...
Hindi pa ako nakapunta dyan.
Naglalakad.
Ito. Naglalakad. Ayan.
Naglalakad kami.
We're approaching Chick-fil-A. Kanina nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo maglakad, sa other side yan, I mentioned that, yeah, it's Thanksgiving Day. Sundays nga, they're closes. Dan tayo ng Whole Foods. We'll see if they're open.
Sarado ang Chick-fil-A. Why?
It's holiday. It's Thanksgiving Day. Ganda tong area nila kasi malaraming parking space. They can accommodate more people. Pero minsan puno din to eh.
What are you grateful for? For Thanksgiving Day.
Grateful for my husband.
Oh?
Huh?
Pogi? Cut.
And my work.
Hello.
What nag-text? What else I am grateful for? Our good health. What else? Oh, no, good health and the everyday blessings, small and big things. Commissary. Ito yung commissary. Ay, they're open, no? Yung commissary bakery, they're open pa dahil.
Decide na natin.
Whole Foods. Wiener Schnitzel. Oy, magpindot ka. Wala tayo. Yeah, it's there, the Whole Foods market.
No.
Ayan, ang falling leaves. Autumn season. Ganda nung terrace ng Whole Foods. Apartments kasi yung taas ng Whole Foods market na yan. Talleria. Oh, I told na tatawagan ko si Kitya. I said, I said I'll call her.
Sige ba? Mapapabilis yan.
Okay, we're entering Whole Foods Market. Okay, oh. Ganda ng fruits. Flowers. Kuha kaya ako ng tulips. Lagay natin for Thanksgiving later. What's that? No flowers. Where's my husband?
You look nice person. Dami naman.
Ang dami nga. Meron tayo na konti sa bahay. Ay, naku, baka maano yung bulaklak ko. Asan bang may white nito? Dito.
Ang dami na.
Eto, ay, malaki. Wala sila nung maliit. Masyadong malaki.
Hindi na lang.
Alin?
Hindi na lang.
Oh, yan na lang. Yung maliit mo. Ikot lang tayo. Ay, wala. Nabili pala ako ng juice ko. Meron ka. Ay, wala ka na pala. Okay. Kukuha ka? May sake ka sa bahay, di ba? How about the sake? Okay. Ang gusto ko ng juices. Tingin ako ng juice. What we can have for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm checking for juice. Watermelon, strawberry, pure cranberry, yung refresher. Ang laki masyado ay only parang gusto kong palitan. So parang $12 lang. And here's my flowers. Olives, different kinds of olives. Oh, ito na, pumpkin pie. Yeah, I am. Pecan, different sizes. May cherry din sila. And then, ito yung bigger size. Ayan na, pwede siyang i-weigh nila yung food na kinuha mo. It's the same, all pies, pumpkin, pizza, cookies, Columbia George Organic, strawberry and banana, coconut milk, coconut water.
Maybe
Wala ko
I
naman kasi
need a
ng
break. Maybe that's why I
smoothie.
fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.